How to pay Uber with cash 2025 method. Most people assume Uber is only for cardholders or digital wallets, but here's the surprising truth. In 2025, you can pay for Uber rides with cash in many regions, and it's easier than you think. Many users get this wrong, trying to use cash without setting it up properly, which leads to cancelled rides, payment issues, or even account restrictions. Today, I'll walk you through the complete, step-by-step method to pay Uber with cash in 2025, including how to set it up, confirm rides, manage payments, and avoid common pitfalls. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how Uber cash payments work, how to prepare your account, how to confirm payments with your driver, and what regions support cash options. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about why Uber Cash exists. Uber has always been known for its digital-first payment system, but in many countries and regions, cash remains the preferred payment method. In 2025, Uber has expanded cash payments to accommodate users who don't have credit cards, debit cards, or digital wallets. This makes Uber accessible to millions of people worldwide, ensuring rides are available to everyone regardless of banking access. Now, let's discuss eligibility. Before you can pay Uber with cash, you need to meet certain requirements. First, cash payments are available only in selected countries and cities. In 2025, Uber provides a list of regions where cash is supported, mostly in Latin America, parts of Asia, Africa, and some regions in the Middle East. Second, your account must be verified, meaning you need a valid Uber profile with phone number confirmation. Third, cash payment options must be enabled in your account settings. If any of these conditions aren't met, you won't see the cash payment option when booking a ride. Now, let's set up cash payment in your Uber account. Step 1. Open the Uber app on your device and log in. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Scroll to the payment section. Step 4. Tap Add Payment Method or Manage Payment Methods. Step 5. Select cash if available in your region. You may see a note indicating the countries where cash is supported. Tap Enable Cash Payments. This action sets cash as your default payment option or as a backup to other methods, depending on your preference. Next, let's talk about requesting a ride with cash. After enabling cash, enter your destination in the Uber app as usual. Confirm the ride type UberX, UberXL, or another available option. The app will automatically show cash as a payment method if it's supported in your region. Select cash and confirm your ride. You'll see a notification reminding you to have the exact fare ready, as drivers may not carry change in 2025. This helps prevent confusion and delays during the payment process. Now, let's discuss paying your driver. When your driver arrives, confirm your destination and start the ride. At the end of the trip, the Uber app will display the fare. Hand the exact cash amount to your driver and confirm the payment in the app by tapping I paid cash. This action notifies Uber that the payment was completed and closes the transaction. The system logs the ride as paid, ensuring your account remains in good standing. Now, let's address safety tips. Paying with cash carries certain considerations. Always count your cash before handing it to the driver. Keep your wallet secure, and avoid handling large bills in public. In 2025, Uber encourages users to pay the exact fare to minimize delays. If you can't provide exact change, drivers may not accept the ride. Additionally, always confirm your driver's identity using the Uber app before getting in the vehicle. Compare the license plate, car model, and driver photo to ensure safety. Next, let's cover managing multiple payment options. Even if you plan to use cash regularly, it's a good idea to have a backup payment method linked to your Uber account. This can be a debit or credit card, PayPal, or digital wallet. If you ever forget cash or your ride requires an advanced booking that doesn't support cash, Uber can automatically charge your backup method. In 2025, Uber allows users to toggle between payment options seamlessly, ensuring you're never stranded without a payment solution. Now, let's talk about fare estimates and cash payments. Before requesting a ride, Uber provides a fare estimate. In 2025, these estimates are accurate for cash payments as well, so you know exactly how much money to have on hand. Remember that surge pricing, tolls, and additional stops may slightly increase the total fare, so it's wise to carry a small buffer to cover any extra charges. Next, let's discuss regions without official cash support. If your region doesn't support cash payments, there are a few alternatives. Some users use Uber gift cards, prepaid debit cards, or regional payment services that Uber accepts. In 2025, Uber has expanded partnerships with local financial services to make rides accessible without traditional banking. Always check your payment options in the app to see what's available in your country or city. Now, let's talk about handling ride issues with cash. Sometimes, issues can arise. Drivers may not accept cash, passengers may not have exact change, or a payment may be disputed. In these cases, Uber provides in-app support. You can report a payment issue, and Uber may adjust your account balance or provide guidance. The key is to always confirm the cash payment in the app immediately after giving money to the driver. This ensures transparency and protects both you and the driver. Now, let's discuss real-world examples. Consider Raj in India. He enabled cash payments in his Uber app in 2025. He frequently commutes without a bank card, so cash is convenient. By keeping small bills ready, he avoids delays and ensures smooth rides. Meanwhile, Maria in Mexico uses cash for her Uber rides, but has a small PayPal backup for longer trips or high-demand periods. Both users benefit from Uber's flexible cash payment system. Next, let's talk about advantages of paying with cash. First, it's inclusive. You don't need a bank account or card. Second, it helps with budgeting, as you control exactly how much you spend per ride. Third, it provides flexibility in regions where digital payment infrastructure may be limited. In 2025, Uber Cash payments make the service accessible to a broader audience while maintaining convenience and reliability. Now, let's discuss common mistakes to avoid. One mistake is not enabling cash payments in the app before requesting a ride. Another is failing to have exact change, which can result in ride cancellations. Forgetting to confirm the payment in the app is another common error, which can cause discrepancies in ride records. Finally, using cash in unsupported regions can lead to frustration. Always check the app's payment options first. Now, let's provide some tips for success. Keep small bills handy. Always confirm your driver's identity. Enable cash payments in the app before requesting a ride. Have a backup payment method in case cash isn't accepted. Confirm the payment in the app immediately after handing over money. Monitor notifications for any issues. Following these steps ensures smooth, secure, and reliable Uber rides with cash in 2025. Finally, let's wrap up. Paying Uber with cash in 2025 is simple, secure, and accessible, as long as you know the right steps. Enable cash in your account. Request rides with cash selected, provide exact payment to the driver, and confirm in the app. Keep a backup payment method, monitor fare estimates, and follow safety practices. Doing this will allow you to enjoy Uber without a bank card, maintain budgeting control, and ensure seamless rides every time. Remember, most people get this wrong at first, but by following this step-by-step method, you'll never have trouble paying with cash again. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe for more 2025 payment tips, and comment below your experience with cash rides. The surprising truth is that cash isn't outdated. It's a flexible, reliable option for Uber users worldwide in 2025.